Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are good. Now today I am going to revise the chapter 8 and the chapter name is Our New Friend. I already taught in previous classes, but today I am going to revise their exercise also. Okay, so all of you open your Living English book, and in Living English book in page number 85 this chapter is given. So first of all, see here in first page, in page number 85, find the names of 6 animals in the word search. So see here, one grid box given, okay, in your book, and in this grid box you have to search 6 animals name. Okay, so likewise you have to search it. Here an elephant, here rabbit, here zebra, here tiger, here peacock. Likewise you have to search it. Okay, after that you turn the page number, you come to the page number 88. Okay, and in page number 88, see here comprehension given. So write the correct words to complete their sentences. So see here, Papa was making. Here 2 options are there. So cutlet is the correct answer. Okay, first one cutlets, and here fruit chart. So Papa was making cutlets. Okay, now in second question, see here, Karan was in a hurry too. Here 2 options are there: play with his friends and reach school on time. So here what we taught in chapter, Karan was in a hurry to play with her friends. So play with her friends is a correct answer. So write it here, fill it here. Now in third question, as Karan and Karim was leaving, they saw, here 2 options are there. First one, a crow in the sky, and second one, a pigeon on the steps. So which one is correct? A pigeon on the steps. Okay, likewise you have to write it. Now come to the fourth question number. Karan waited near the pigeon to keep away. Here 2 options are given: the birds, his cat. Okay, so his cat. Okay, Karan waited near the pigeon to keep away his cat. Okay, now come to the next question. Take the correct answer words. So question is, Karan and Karim played with their, here in bracket 2 words are there: friends and family. So friends is correct. Okay, Karan and Karim played with their friends. Now second one, Karan and Karim were going to the where. Here in bracket 2 words, park and market. So park is correct. Okay, so Karan and Karim were going to the park. Now third one, the bird hospital was far from or near from. The Red Fort, in bracket here, far from or near is given. So near word is correct here. Okay, now fourth one, Karan and Karim took turn to look after or tell stories the pigeon. So Karan and Karim took turn to look after the pigeon. Okay, now fifth one, Karan and Karim, in bracket 2 words are given: loved or did not love the bird. So loved is correct. Now turn the page. See here, see the question number E. Read the words on the word wall. So here one word wall box are given, and in this word wall some words are given. So read this word: feed, seed, deed, tweet, hour, sour, flour, brout, pout, fout, thought. Okay, these are the words. So first read this word. After that, here see, find the words on the word wall in the word search. circle the double E words in blue and OUGST out words in red and OU words in green. Okay, so you use different colors pencil. Okay, so circle the double E. See here, for example, here tweet double E word. So you have to circle in blue pen. Okay, and OUGST word you have to circle in red pen. You use red pen, and after that OU words you use in green pen, and you have to circle in green pen. Okay, now here come to the F question number. Change the first letter of each word to name an animal. Okay, so change the first letter of each word to name an animal. Now see here, crow. So here crow, pear, beer, mat, cat, log, frog, house, mouse, half, calf, luck, duck, box, ox. So these are some animals name, and only you have to change the first letter. Okay, and write the other name of an animal's name. Okay, so now next thing, look at the picture and read these sentences. So here first of all, see some pictures given in your book. So look at the pictures and read these sentences. Okay, so the teddy is in the box, the teddy is in the box, the teddy is on the box. So see here, relate in picture also, the teddy is in the box, in the box. So see here, the teddy is sitting in the box, but here the teddy is on the box. So he's sitting on a box. The teddy is under the box, under the box. Box is over his head. Okay, so we can say that words such as in, on, under, behind, above, below and near tell you where something and someone is. Such words are called preposition. Okay, so now come to the next question number G. Where is those? The fill in the blank with the correct prepositions from the box. So see here, one box is given, and in this box some words are given: on, near, under, between. Okay, so with the help of this box you have to fill it here. Okay, dost is on the car. See here, dost is on the car. Okay, that's why here we use on. Okay, now dost is near the bowl of water. See here, he is standing near the bowl of water. Okay, now third one, dost is between the ball and the teddy. Okay, see here, dost is between the ball and the teddy. Okay, now fourth one, dost is under the table, under the table. Okay, now come to the question number H. Tick the correct preposition in bracket. So here, the kitten jumped. Here in bracket two options are given: under or over the fence. So the kitten jumped over the fence. Okay, not under the fence, over the fence. There is a park. Here in bracket two words are given: over or behind our house. So obviously there is a park behind the house. Don't write over the house. Okay, the boat sailed on below the sea. So on the sea, the boat sailed on the sea, not below the sea. Okay, now fourth one, there are pretty flower in or on the park. So obviously it's happened, there is pretty flower in the park, not on the park. Okay, so next one is work with grammar. Play this game with your partner. So this is only a game. Okay, now we come to the next this one, and here your teacher will read out a passage. Okay, and write true or false. So here one passage, if you will come in the school, after that I will give you a passage, okay, and then you fill it true or false. But here, for example, I already done this one. The bird hospital treat birds. This one true. Okay, the bird have to pay for the treatment. No, never. False. And the bird are set free after the treatment. This one true. Okay, so this one only, let's listen only. Okay, now we come to the next question. Here let's write. So see one picture given in your book. Okay, so with the help of this picture you have to answer the question. Okay, answer this question. So look at the picture and answer the question in your notebook. So here, where is the nest? Where is the nest? Nest is, so what you see here, nest is on the tree. Okay, now how many birds are there in the nest? So just count it, how many bird, 1 2 3. Okay, so 3. Okay, now, and you can see on or under, under also here, we can write it here, because in under the tree, under the means here in the branch of tree, nest is there. Okay, so see here, what is mummy bird doing? So she give feed to her children. What are the baby birds doing? They are eating. Okay, generally they are eating. Now which other animal can you see in the tree? So see here, squirrel. Squirrel is there. Okay, so likewise you have to complete it. Okay, and read it all, learn it also. Okay, thank you.